Shalom. Have you requested the recording link to our latest virtual lecture and are having trouble getting the link to work? Well, I hope this video will help solve your problem. First, let me start by explaining how the recording links work. All live lectures are recorded and then converted into private YouTube links. The only people that can access and watch these links are paid registrants like yourselves. When you send an email to request the link, we take the email address you provided and assign permissions for it to view the recording. The email address is key. It's how YouTube recognizes that you've been given permission to view a particular recording. If you do not have a YouTube account, well, that's your first step. You must go to youtube.com and create an account. Many people don't realize they need an account in order to view private links because they go to YouTube and watch public videos. But to view private links, you must have an account. And you must first be logged into that account before clicking on the link sent to you when you requested the recording. If you already have a YouTube account and you receive an email like this with the link and you click on it, but this screen appears, a screen saying that the video is private or restricted or you don't have access, then one of two things is probably happening. The most common issue is that you didn't log into YouTube before clicking on the link, and YouTube's not recognizing you as an authorized viewer. The second issue is that you may not realize your YouTube account is linked to a different email address than the one you provided to Ayelet when requesting the recording link. I'll show you how to discover which one is the issue now. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. On the top right-hand corner, you'll be able to see if you're logged in or not. If it says sign in here, you're not logged in. And you'll need to do that before going back to the email and clicking on the link. Once you're logged in, you can go back to your email and click the link, and it should automatically start playing like so. If you're logged into your account and it's still showing this private video link, you can go to youtube.com, hover your mouse over here and click on it, and check this email address. Is this the email address that you gave to Ayelet to assign permissions? If not, then you need to email Ayelet the correct email address that's linked to your YouTube account so that we can assign permission to the correct address. Once all of these steps are complete, you should be able to click on this link and watch the lecture as intended. I hope this video has been helpful. If you've tried all these steps and are still having trouble accessing the recording, please feel free to call our office for further assistance at 1-800-237-1517. Shalom.